JourneyTEAM offers consulting services to our clients as we help them implement Microsoft solutions.
Microsoft is great at bringing a lot of robust capability together. What we do great is we bring that functionality together and we make it easy and simple to implement within an organization and help a customer get the maximum value out of that spend.
I think the majority of clients that choose to work with JourneyTEAM, they got present to the idea that we're business consultants first and technologists second.
People will buy Microsoft licenses and Microsoft products, and they don't always know how to work with them in their organization. At JourneyTEAM, we enable our customers to grow by always thinking of scalability. We want to think large scale, what happens when you need thousands of users? Maybe you're only planning on expanding this to hundreds of users.
The thing I would love a person or a company to know that's never worked with us or never heard of us before is really that we are out to help them succeed. That's really what we're about.
JourneyTEAM definitely has a commitment to our customers, and that is to make sure that they're happy. Very end of the day, the number one thing that matters to us is that you love the experience that you had and the system that you're using and that it's being adopted and that it truly makes a difference for you and your company.
JourneyTEAM serves a lot of broad industries, but we have great experience within healthcare, manufacturing, financial services, and professional services.
We have at JourneyTEAM implemented the same types of software solutions across all kinds of businesses.
Through our relentless pursuit of excellence,
we simplify and effectively use technology
to create a positive, lasting impact on the world.
Technology that supports you, a trusted team that guides you. JourneyTEAM.